Looking for a smarter way to create personalized labels right from your smartphone or tablet? The P-touch Design&Print app lets you design and print custom labels wirelessly, making labeling easier and more convenient than ever. Whether you're organizing your home, office, or crafting projects, this app puts professional quality labels at your fingertips. What sets this label maker apart is its seamless Bluetooth connection. Simply pair your mobile device or tablet with the P-touch label maker, and you're ready to go. No cables, no hassle. The app supports both Android and Apple devices, so compatibility won't hold you back. Plus, it features voice-to-text input and spell check, so your labels come out perfect every time. With over 450 symbols, 60+ frames, and a variety of fonts to choose from, you can customize your labels to match your style or needs. Whether you want bold, eye-catching designs or subtle, pastel tones, Brother's genuine P-touch Z-tape offers color options up to 12 mm wide. This means your labels don't just organize, they stand out in all the right ways. One user shared that the P-touch system exceeded their expectations. They appreciated the value, noting it was cheaper than label makers with keyboards but offered the same functionality. The app worked smoothly even on an older Samsung device, and the use of standard tape meant they didn't have to buy new supplies after their old label maker stopped working. Plus, the ability to store presets and use fancy fonts made the experience even better. If you want a reliable labeling solution that's flexible, easy to use, and packed with features, this setup is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their organization without sacrificing quality or style. The freedom to design labels from your mobile device means you can tackle projects anytime, anywhere. Ready to upgrade your labeling game? Try the P-touch Design&Print app paired with Brother's Label Maker and see how simple, stylish labeling can transform your space. If you're after convenience, versatility, and professional results, this combination delivers without compromise.